So in 2007, I got my first career break outside India, where I was put on a secondment to the London office. And me and my wife moved to UK. When we landed there and we checked into the hotel, the first thing we were looking for is a bottle of water because we were extremely thirsty and we have exhausted all our stock of water during the travel. Now, we didn't find any bottle of water. Typically in an Indian hotel, you will find two bottles of water kept in your room. We didn't find anything like that. So I called up the room service and said, please give me a bottle of water. The guy comes in and he brings a nice bottle of water. It looked almost like a champagne bottle. I was like shocked to see the kind of packaging it had. And he also gave me a bill along with that. And the bill was around £7. And I converted, being a Desi, I first converted and said, okay, oh God, this is 550 rupees, a bottle of water. I don't know how I'm going to survive in this place, right? It's so damn costly. But then I called up a few friends, I told them about this incident, and they told me that, hey, relax, why don't you have just tap water, because the tap water is as good as a filtered water, so don't worry about it. And then we started having tap water. We took a place, we started settling down. It took almost 2-3 months before we kind of got a hang of things around us. And then after that, it was really a very enjoyable stint that I had. For the next 2 years, I lived in the UK, right? Initially, it was difficult though, right? In those first 2-3 months. Now think about any change which happens to you, right? In any change, whether it's a change of a job where you land up in a new organization, or your organization goes through a fundamental restructuring process and your boss changes, your peer group changes, your team changes, right? Or for example, you have picked up something which is outside your comfort zone and you are trying to build something out of it, right? So any change, if you see, the brain always stops or cautions us. Why? Because the brain is wired to take the shortest path based on the past experience. The mental model that we have is always based on our past experience and some of the research or inputs or stimulus that we get from all around. Now what happens is the brain stops us from moving forward because it senses a danger that what will happen if things doesn't work out properly, right? Now that is where I think you will have to apply your thinking process, and you will have to go through the change. Until and unless you go through the change, you experience the change and you get the first hand experience, you will not be able to understand whether that change is good or bad for me, right? So the same happened to us when we lived in the UK. The first 2-3 months was a massive change from all aspects, whether it was the geography, culture, people, language, everything was very new to us. And our old mental model, however, got broken up because we experienced the new things and we started liking it. And then our journey was really, really enjoyable the next 2 years that we were there. Similarly, I will request you that don't get bogged down with your current mental model, but always have an open mind and accept the change. Go through the change, and if your experience is good, then move ahead with a positive mindset. And when you do that, you will see that you will achieve much more than what you expected to achieve while you absolutely were sitting in the same place doing the same thing over and over again without any enrichment, right? So please go through the change, break your old mental model, be positive, and move ahead with a lot of that positive feeling in your mind and experience the change. And I am very sure things will be awesome for you. Thank you very much.